So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power Share as well as Tata Power Share. So there are few updates on Adani Power. So we know that on regular basis, we are receiving updates on Adani Group, whether it may be Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, Adani Transmission, Adani Gas, Adani Green. So all the subcategories of Adani are in full swing. So even though the fundamentals of the stock are not that great, so mainly it is running because of few reasons that we have discussed in earlier videos also. So starting from 42 rupees level, so when we started discussing about Adani Power, so current price you can see it has crossed the 100 rupees level as well. So many people are having doubts whether we can hold this particular stock because it is in highly risk region. So will it show any sort of correction or will it continue that journey? So we'll try to find out that. And also regarding Tata Power, we can see technically it is looking little bullish. So what will be the next levels of Tata Power also we'll try to analyze. So make sure you watch the video till end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so first discussing about the traded quantity versus deliverable quantity in today's trading session, that is March 23rd. So you can see percentage of deliveries in Adani Power stands near 56.70. If you see the quantity traded, you can see roughly 1 crore shares have been traded, and if you see deliveries are roughly 60 lakh shares have been taken. So on regular basis we are seeing deliveries slightly fluctuations are present, but it is maintaining a decent level of 50% plus. So next coming to Tata Power. So Tata Power also you can see 3 crore shares are being traded, and you can see 86% are being taken as deliveries, and you can see percentage wise we are seeing 25.54. So Tata Power, we know that it is not that operator based stock. Either when operators enter or they exit, it happens once in a while, but in Adani Power we know continuous operators are active, so they're taking the stock in a very we can say fast manner. So from where we used to discuss roughly 2-3 months back only, it used to trade near 50 to 50 rupees level. So current price you can see crossed even 100 rupees. So that much amount of pumping is being done, that is all of you know, that is the black money. So until the government is present, so these sort of things will happen. But if you want to generate a quick profit or quick return, then Adani stocks are the best for swing trades. For long term we can't depend, because when government changes, all these stocks again they'll start falling. Okay, so this scenario I clearly explained, and I'll keep telling as well, because I need to make you conscious that it is running only because of government. So without government this stock is nothing. So it is not even financials are great. So why it will go up? Only because of the particular BJP government which is running that. So it happens, we can't do anything. So we are investors, we are here to get quick money. If you want little money you can gain that. If you're long term investor also you can hold it. So not in these stocks, so there are very good stocks. So Tata Power is fundamentally very strong stock, so that stock you can invest for a long term. So Adani and all, even if you want positional or swing, so that is the best stock I can tell you. So let's see what are the basic updates, and then we'll switch out to the charts. Okay, starting with the first update, we know that morning we have received an update on March 23rd, that is today, that is 33% more power for Mumbai as Adani to add 1000 megawatt. So what is this? So clearly you can see Adani is to set up high voltage DC link for almost 80 kilometers. And if you see, while Tata Power generates 1337 megawatt, Adani generates 500 megawatt in Danu. So Tata Power is also having good network. It is not that only Adani Power is having, but the expansion that we are seeing in both fields, whether it may be Tata Power or Adani Power, so equal competition is present, because this is a competition period. So which will go first or which will come second is the matter here. And you can see Adani Power is little stepping forward, because the major projects that we are expecting, there is a slight, we can say, favorism towards Adani Power. It is not that Tata Power is not getting, Tata Power is also having equal opportunity, so that will be one of the multi-bagger also. So don't neglect that. Okay, so you can see Adani Mumbai's 220 kilowatt array substation. So this will be the first with an underground HDVC cable system. So again, this is the first HDVC cable system. Okay, so we know that Mumbai basically consumes 2500 to 3000 megawatt during the peak load, again which goes to maximum of 3500 megawatt in the summer. So especially we know that summer season all of us use maximum power because ACs will be running, fans will be running. So because it is a hot season, so electricity bill also increases, and similarly power consumption also increases. So that's why power expert Ashok Pinsay said while the cost of consumers will rise by 6 to 7 paise per unit. So you can see 6 to 7 paise increment also is present. So ultimately power companies will be benefited. That is simple. So whether it may be Tata Power or Adani Power, so both of them have the equal opportunity. Okay, and secondly, we also know that Adani Power has also told regarding employment, if they're recruiting anything, they're focusing on local workforce in Kuch, told the Gujarat government. So apart from that, you can also see that Adani Power in Mundra Takula of Kuch district has been asked to abide by labor norms of employing 85% locals. So it is employing 85% locals in the company's workforce, said the state government on Monday. So, and apart from that, you can also see the last 2 years, you can see that the government norms surrounding employment of local workers was being adhered to. So local workers adhere was happening since the last few years, and that the government has said, and that was posted by Adani Power. So these are the basic updates on it. So now let's see little bit of technicals, and then we'll see what will be the next levels. Okay, so if we discuss about Adani Power, so if we see how it has reacted in 1 month, so if you see 1 month Sensex has given 0.93% return, and sector has given 9.48%, and you can see Adani Power stands near 83.82%. So graph also you can see, so little correction, again I told you, little correction happens, again they'll start retracing because continuous movement will not be possible. After that, if we see 1 year that it has generated, so you can see Adani Power has generated 295.53% return, and you can see Sensex has given 93.26%, and sector, especially power sector, is under 89.42. So 295 in just 1 year. So roughly can take 300% return, means 1 lakh is converted into 3 lakhs. So that much amount of return has been given. So BJP government, whenever it is in the process, so definitely all the companies which are directly or indirectly related to that particular government will be benefited. So keep these things in mind. Next, in future also, if anything happens regarding government change, try to focus on the stocks which are influenced by government, so they will only become from penny to multi-baggers. That is very important. Okay, so if you see 1 year movement, you can see Tata Power. So this is for Tata Power. So if we do peer comparison, so Tata Power has also given 218% return. Sensex has given 93. It is not that only Adani Power is generating. So this is a fundamental stock. This is also, and it has given very good returns as compared to Adani Power as well. Equal, not any discrimination. Both of them are equal. Okay, and if you see 1 month wise, you can see Tata Power stands near only 14.13%, and Sensex has stood near 0.88. Okay, hope you understood the basic difference returns wise, how it has rallied, and if we compare with Sensex also, how much operators were active in Adani Power. Okay, so back onto the technical chart. So we know that when we discussed in previous videos, our short-term target was 100 rupees. So it has crossed that, and today you can see it is near 101.60. It is closing above 100 rupees. So next immediate targets are 105 and 1110. Okay, so I'm updating these levels from 45, 46 rupees level. So continuously I'm updating, because when people are invested, so they will have a little panic situation whether to book the profit or whether to hold. So I'm telling you, next targets would be 105 and 1110. So support wise 100 rupees. So this is very important. So nothing much to discuss regarding support. So support wise it is 100 only. So again, if you see money flow index, obviously it is in overbought region, because when stock goes continuously up, it will be in the overbought. So doesn't matter at all, because when operators are active, so when they're pumping the money, what is the reason if it is an overbought or oversold? So power is there, good positive news are present for it, then definitely wherever stock is present is not a big deal. But if you're doing any sort of fresh investments, clearly try to minimize the risk by investing only in small quantities. That time, even if the stock, even if it corrects marginally, again when it comes down, you can average. It can go, even it can next be the Adani Gas also. So Adani Gas also, from 188 rupees it has gone to 900. So what is the valuation? So understanding, right, completely they are rallying because of the money Mr. Gautam Adani is having. So we can't do anything. So if you want to generate returns, definitely I guess I may suggest these things only. If you're already invested, well and good. So don't try to exit anything. So when to exit and all, we will discuss. So in 1 week chart also, you can see continuous 3 weeks upward move is seen. So in between 1 week, little profit booking was seen, but again even market was little volatile condition. Again it has retraced. So coming to Tata Power, so Tata Power, you can see it is near 105. See Adani Power, from low levels it has approached the Tata Power level. So that is what is called the magic of operators. If you see, Tata Power is near 105 and today's movement is 0.24%. And if you see 1 week chart, it has gone up, and 1 week we have seen complete correction. For this particular stock also, I told you, don't try to sell, only try to average. So this is fundamentally strong stock. Okay, so not much operator based stock, only fundamentals are present, and further potential also is present because more and more electric vehicle segment is running. So definitely power generation is worth holding for long term. Okay, so this is in 1 week chart, and also you can see money flow index wise it is in little overbought region. For this, support is as usual, I told you earlier also, which was 104 rupees level, and after that it is 100 rupees. So targets short term would be 1110 and 115. So this is in 1 week chart. In 1 day chart also, you can see the stock is going little sideways, little accumulation is seen. So that is healthy sign only, because whenever any breakout happens, the stock consolidates and then only it gives the breakout. So about Tata Power also, on each and every update we have discussed. So particular series is there regarding Tata Power, regarding Adani Power, and they're continuing in a good regular manner. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in comment section or in Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDerivIT. So until then, take care. Bye bye.